Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these little paper bags. So they can be any size like this. So what you'll need for this is paper, scissors, and tape. So measure out a square on your paper that's 5 inches by 5 inches and cut it out. Okay, so now fold the square in half. Like I'm doing. You can cut off the excess. Most times there's a lot of excess, so that's good. Open your square up. Take one of the sides and fold it to the borderline. Well, to the fold we just folded on. Do that for both sides. There you go. Now take one of the flaps and put it to the other side. You see the creases? You have to put it there. So now you should have multiple creases, 6 in total. Now fold it from the other way, so opposite of the creases. You can cut off the excess again. Now take the end part and fold it. Do not fold all of it, just a little part of it. So it looks like this. Take one of the sides and fold it to the second line as I'm doing so, not the first. Now you can open up your square. So take your pen and just mark near where you see a rectangle and you see 4 little rectangles inside the rectangle. Put a dot there. Take the side and bend it to the dot. Do it for both sides. Now the middle crease, you need to fold it in half from there. So it looks like this now. You see another crease right underneath it. Fold your paper from there too, for both sides. Okay, you already have some creases where you'll see a little triangle. Fold it there. Turn your paper upside down and fold the other side to the edge. Open your paper back up. Now try to fold it like this. You have to do this for both sides. After you're done this step, you fold the little paper in so that it's not sticking outside when you're done your bag. Do the same for both sides. Okay, now that it's done, take your tape and you have to tape in both sides. So you take your triangle and you can tape it in so it doesn't get out. Then you take another piece of tape and tape it on the little rectangle we made. Do it for both sides. Now your little bag is almost fully complete. You have to take your paper that you used and cut a little strip off. This will be the handle of the bag. Now I have my strip. You need to take a little piece of tape, tape it on the end side of your strip so that you can tape it onto the bag. And your handle is created. So your bag is now created and you can make a little design on it. So since this is Hello Kitty themed, you will be drawing it. First, draw your image before coloring it in. So draw the bow, draw the eyes, the little nose of Hello Kitty, and the whiskers. Next, you color it in. So I did it off camera. And there you go. Your bag is done. So, the next part, how to make the pin. So first you need pencil and you need to draw out your Hello Kitty. So I've done mine. Then you need to color it in. So I'm taking my yellow pen and coloring in the nose. Now that it's colored in, you need to outline it. After it's done outlining, take a piece of tape and put it onto the drawing so that it looks more shiny and is protected before you put it onto the pin. The next step is that you cut it out along the lines. So, done. Now that your little drawing is done, you take your pin, paper clip, and take whichever side you want to put it on. You tape it on to the back side of your drawing. Get in those creases so that it's good and it won't fall. you can cut off the excess tape. Now the pin is done. You can gift this to any of your friends and it'll be a great gift. Bye!